Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Monday, December the 31st, 2012, and here's today's midday market update. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading right now. The Dow Jones is up 1.33. The comp is up 20 points. The Russell 2000 is up 7.85. The S&P 500 is up 4. Take a look at a couple of key sectors. Commodities are up across the board. USO is up 17 cents. GLD is up 75 cents. GDX up 57 cents. JJC Copper is up 34 cents. I believe copper was up pretty strong overnight off of the Chinese PMI numbers. And XOI, the oil index, is up 3 points. Taking a look to see what the ES is doing here. The ES is currently up 17 points. 70 points. I mean, if you take a look at the rally from the low that we made right here at 7:35 a.m. this morning, we were trading at 1384. We rallied up all the way to 1404. So we had about a 20-point rally, off the lows, off the 7:35 morning lows. And then going into the open in the chat room, we were discussing this little bull flag pennant that was shaping up going to the open on the ES. This is one of the other strategies that we teach and we showed other traders in the room here. And you can see here going forward for the afternoon session, kind of been basing out around this 1398 level. If we continue to hold that 1398 level, we can expect to move back up towards 1404. Other key levels you want to watch is 1406, and the big major level you want to watch is 1410. I doubt we get up there unless something comes out on the headline news regarding this little fiscal cliff stuff. Taking a look at the 15-minute chart, you can see here as well that pretty much nothing's going on. Volume is dying out since the opening bar. And we should have some type of volume pop coming in around 1 o'clock or so. As far as stocks go, some stocks that we were talking about in the room this morning, some continuation plays that I mentioned this morning before the market opened. Sohu and Cena. You can see Sohu, light volume on Sohu, but had a nice little pop off the open, pulled back, held the previous day's highs, and then gave you a little buy signal of 46.91 for a move up towards 47.35. Again, not much there. Volume's pretty low, as it is New Year's Eve today, and therefore some people aren't even trading the market. Another stock that we mentioned to watch was this nice little Cena trade. Again, these little Chinese stocks have been in play. Cena gave you a nice little entry as well when Sohu started moving, and this one gave you a nice trigger over the highs of 49.26 and traded to a high of 49.80. So some good pocket change there as well. And the most profitable trade in the room was this Apple trade that we called out. If you take a look at the 1-minute chart on Apple, we called Apple out for a long at 518. Mentioned the fact it was forming this nice little bull flag on the open here. All right, so you had it long at 518, risking about $1.50 on the trade, and it ran up all the way to a high of 527. So some good call outs. If you want to check out the room, you could go to mywallstreettv.com, type in the password SMART. You'll have access there. And that's about it, guys. Make sure you check out the website, wallstreettrading.com, and I'll catch you guys after the close for the after the bell market summary. And that's about it. Have a great New Year's Eve. Be safe, and I'll catch you guys after the close. Cheers.